Yes, no man, welcome back to another adventure, people. You don't know it's your boy Nigel. We're out here like no. So here we are going with another fishing adventure. Here we are going to do. We're going to try to see if we can catch some fish and go home, go cook them. You see me? A long time I not come see no people. A long time I not drop one video. I'm out to sea. So here we are. But it kind of busy up with some work and things, so I never get to come do no adventure, catch no fish or anything. You see me? So today we're out here again. Hope we can catch some fish. Look now, man. Look there. That is it. So we are go around on the side here and see if we can catch some fish around there in the evening. Yeah. Hope we catch all some big fish, you know. Because some big fish may go for as well. You see me? So I'm going to lock in and stay tuned till we reach around the car. You don't know, say, as a fisherman, we're out here like now. I say sky look dark. Look like rain a go fall. The breeze a blow strong. But we're going to try to choke the lure now and see if we catch it. I see bird them around here. So. One of the pelican there. Diver. Alright, so we're going to choke the lure. Go on. So the type of lure we're going to use. Alright, I'm going to test it out now. And see if I grab something. You can see bird them a jump. Bam! Woo! Yo! See a fish run from the water a while ago. Bam! Woohoo! Every time I lure drop one fish run from water. Come in. Alright, here we are going. Me a throw the lure, nah catch no fish. All me a do is just throw, nah really nothing at all. So here we are going now, me a go back to my original shrimp and my sparks pluggers sinker. So me a go throw this out and see if I hook no fish, alright? So no go and stay tuned, me a see if I hook no snapper. Cause the lure fishing don't work out for me at all. Nah hold nothing, so if we try this and see if we can catch something, alright? Go and lock in. Alright, so we just have to wait here now and see if nothing hold it, alright? all me a throw the lure, me now hook nothing. The lure light, so the spot the bird them there jump, the lure now go out there so. So look like me have to get a heavier lure. Feel one of them a picky line. A picky bait. Let's see if we are going to grab him. Look like a hole in there. Bomba, I think come on, fight. Little one. How you feel so big out there, boy? You know? Feel like one big fish a while ago, you know? Just too small. This race ain't big a while ago, you know? A little, too little. A while ago him did a float like him didn't want to get to back. Alright, so here one me I go bait up again, me I go put on some more shrimp and send it back out there, alright? People. Night a come down, nah hold no fish. But just a little beanie one that I catch a while ago, I don't catch nothing more yet. But I just go and hang on some more out here and see if we catch nothing bigger. You see me? We are out here like normal, you see me? Look now man. See there? You can't tell the fish them say yo, you bite the line now man, hold on pan the bait now man, eat the shrimp. You see, but them not do that. Look like me have to go get all one next rod and reel. Something picky. Boom back. Hold on. Feel one drag a while ago. Most one little one. I don't want to eat off one set of bait. Alright, I put on some more bait on it and throw it over back. And that one they did feel like one big one a while ago, you know. But I pull it in too quick. I jump here a while ago. I jump the gun. Boy, never forget. Get to hold on the line. The hook a good a while ago, cause just jump here a while ago style. Oh, there back. You see it, my reel a spin. I don't know how I go on. See they can spin. I need to go get it fixed. I need to get a new rod and reel. I just the one rod and reel I may have alone. I have nothing more. But me I say if that boy they come pick back the line. But the mind him come back, come hold on pan it and run with it. You see me? So no go and stay tuned. You see it? Till get dark and thing, hold on there. Night all come down, I think about 6 o'clock and now I go 7 o'clock. I think about 7 o'clock, so I go lift up from here. So I'll probably go further around, closer to the car and try through some line round that side here. If nothing no go on, but I spend about one next hour right here. So. Alright, so hope say we get something by then time we can show. Watch the bird them out there start jump off, man. Yeah. This is the rock of Jamaica. Alright? We out here like normal people. Believe. Come down people, and now we don't grab no fish. John no star. I know. I say go still. Some day coffee, some day tea. Some day fish, some day no fish. Something I pick it. Something I pick a line. But them now want to run with it star. Alright, so I go on. Night come down. So me have my line out there. So I'm really thin back, I go move from here so I go close around that side there, alright? So no go and lock in for that. As a fisherman, we out here like no. If you don't believe, ask God. So we outside same way, alright? Dark outside. Okay. Alright, so here we go on people, we have walk. We not get some fish right here so. So we walk go further around back to the car side, closer to the car. And probably throw some line around here so. Night catch around here. I don't know say I'm me alone. So I stay around here so by myself. So come we go around further. Go closer to the car. Sketch on a while ago. So they are not going, you know. But not even could I turn on the camera, I couldn't see a shot. Couldn't even turn on the camera, I couldn't see what's going on. See him there? What that one your name? A nice size one this one. Yeah. Right, I'm gonna beat up a line and throw it back out there again. See if I can catch one more like him. Alright? So I'm going to lock in. So I call it a night. I'm going to catch one fish. I don't even know what name. So if I don't know what name, I can't tell me what name. I'm showing it. Where am there? Because night come down. This alone I catch. See him there? Hold on, see him good? Hold on. Let me turn the light. Yeah, that alone I catch. Wait name. So that alone me catch. So don't tell me what name, I don't know that one your name. Alright. So I got head out and thing, you know, so enough love and respect me catching the next adventure outside.